Hey there, conversation connoisseurs and charisma chameleons. Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a conversation with a human spotlight? You know, someone who just beams blindingly about themselves and leaves you feeling like a moth singed by their self-importance. I think we've all been there. But fear not, fellow communicators. Today, we're cracking the code on these dazzling conversational narcissists. Here are 5 clues to help you spot them in a flash. Clue number 5, the one-person show. A narcissist loves the sound of their own voice, maybe a little too much. They dominate the conversation, interrupting your stories and hijacking topics to talk about themselves. It's like they have an internal monologue on autoplay, and you're just the captive audience. Clue number 4, the bragging buffet. Narcissists see conversations as a chance to brag about their achievements, real or imagined. They'll pepper the chat with awards, promotions, and vacations, all to establish themselves as the MVP of life. Clue number 3, the blame game Olympian. Things go wrong? Not on their watch. Narcissists are allergic to accountability. They'll dodge blame like Neo in the Matrix, twisting situations and pointing fingers faster than you can say responsibility. Clue number 2, the zero empathy zone. Narcissists struggle to see things from other people's perspectives. Share a heartfelt story? You might get a blank stare or a dismissive comment. They simply can't understand or care about your feelings. Hold on before we get to the final reason. I want to say a huge thanks to everyone who subscribed to the channel. If you're enjoying this video and haven't already, hit that like button. Clue number 1, the fake feels factory. Sometimes, narcissists will lay on the fake sympathy or concern thick. They mirror your emotions to manipulate you. But watch out. Their concern is as shallow as a puddle after a summer shower. Now you can identify these conversational narcissists and avoid getting caught in their dazzling self-absorption. Remember, a healthy conversation is a two-way street. Did you recognize any of these clues? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you want more tips on navigating tricky conversations, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content that will make you a communication ninja. Thank you for watching. Cheers.